What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be giving an update on ICP. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. No.
So ICP is currently trading at a price point of $13.59. Its market cap is $6.2 billion, which ranks 16th among all cryptocurrencies. And this might actually be the highest we have ever seen ICP ranked. It's crazy how it was only a few months ago that ICP was sitting in the 30s, but their circulating supply is 458 million out of a total supply of 514 million. And then if you guys are looking to trade ICP, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now we'll go ahead and hop into the Dfinity X account, which has 686,000 followers. And they just posted 3 hours ago a big welcome to the newest member of the internet computer ecosystem. Congratulations on the beginning of your on-chain journey. Let's innovate together. And this new partnership is InvoiceMate. So InvoiceMate is a dual-faceted fintech platform that bolsters SMEs and financial institutions with enhanced growth and efficiency. It's revolutionizing SME financing by using emerging blockchain and AI technologies. And then Blueberry X is on a mission to help people and businesses decode the human mind and body. They aim to replicate a user's database, capturing mental and physical state data onto an open computer system, keeping it under user control. And then Mapz revolutionizes map-based gaming with a decentralized community-driven platform. And then lastly, Outrank revolutionizes NFT valuation using Carol Alexander's proven mathematical ranking model, aiming for a marketplace where accurate rarity evaluation ensures superior pricing efficiency compared to traditional platforms. So it's awesome to see the internet computer is continuing to grow their ecosystem, and they are doing that pretty much every single day. I truly believe that ICP is going to be a behemoth in the crypto space. In fact, many people would argue that they already are, but they are growing at a rapid pace. But now we'll take a look at some macro news that could affect ICP's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to ICP. So this is Watcher Guru's X account. And just because it's fun, what they posted 21 hours ago, Bitcoin is up 112% since Jim Cramer told investors to sell 11 months ago.
Bitcoin went up today, and I could argue that now it can't even be held in banks. Bitcoin's a strange animal. I will say point blank, I think it's being manipulated up. It was being manipulated the whole time by Sam Bankman-Fried. So please don't assume, therefore, that it's not still being manipulated. And I would sell my Bitcoin right into this rally. And believe me, I had been a believer one time in Bitcoin, not here, not now.
And yet here we stand, sitting at $51,800. And then they posted on February 15th, Federal Reserve Governor says, I don't want banks holding large amounts of crypto ETFs. Now, the question a lot of people are going to ask is whether or not he's actually against crypto or he's against crypto ETFs, because the wording here is tricky. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. And then I've showed this video on February 14th in my last few videos. However, I have not yet showed it on an ICP video. So SEC Chair Gary Gensler says Bitcoin is not that decentralized.
Make difference, which is part of the attraction, since it's decentralized, and you can't have a profligate central bank.
It's not that decentralized.
Well, I know you're saying because of the ETFs, but really
No, it's not that decentralized, because look how finance tends towards centralization since antiquity.
Right.
So what do we have? We have a handful of 3 to 6 core so-called crypto
I understand that
exchanges.
the asset itself, the way that
That's how the
distributed
accounting ledger.
Right, that's how the ledger. And
Now, how many times do you have people on this show that say, I want to invest in something because how the books and records are kept? I mean, Joe, really? It's just an accounting ledger, a clever.
it's a ledger that
Satoshi
everyone
Nakamoto
has, everyone has and can't be double counted. It's almost immutable. That's why people think it has.
So you trust it more than an Oracle database, or you trust it more than
a lot.
Now, as I've been saying in my previous videos, he's not entirely wrong. Bitcoin is not as decentralized as a lot of people believe that it actually is. But to that same point, you have to understand that nothing is truly 100% decentralized. There is always going to be some form of centralized power. It's just a question of how much power they actually have. And regardless, Bitcoin is still significantly more decentralized than all of these other currencies, specifically fiat currencies. But anyways, while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I've recently been trying to grow my account. I've been posting on here pretty much every single day, and we've been making some huge gains. And I'll go over these gains in just a second. But in my Discord, I had posted Mine Token, and it was up 554% in 9 days. So I definitely recommend giving me a follow. I think you guys will get some useful information. So as I was saying, I have a private Discord through Patreon, and there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me, and you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I am personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. Not to mention, I have an amazing community that is also calling out amazing projects. Just to give you guys some examples, this is since February 17th, literally 1 day ago. As I was saying, Mine Token was up 554% in 9 days. That means if you invested $10,000 into this token, you would be sitting at $65,400. Those are incredible gains. And then one of my patrons made back-to-back amazing calls. He called out dCloud and it was up 79% in 1 day. And then he also pointed out SatNode, and I loved SatNode because it had retraced 71% in 24 hours. So I did some research into his project and then I posted a buy alert for it. And now we are up 55% in 10 hours. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage and it's also in the description of the video. But now for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis. So this is ICP on the daily time frame. Now the first thing I'm seeing is that price action is still trading above both the 21-day and the 50-day moving averages. That is a very good sign to see. And then if you look at the RSI, it's starting to get a little bit high, but I would still say it's neutral. However, the stochastics are a little bit overbought. Now you could also argue that ICP is forming some sort of a bull flag, which break up 68% of the time. And this bull flag in particular has a measure move to about $17.84. Now is that guaranteed? Obviously not, but it's definitely something to keep your eyes on. So I would say overall in the short term, I'm actually pretty bullish on ICP. I could definitely see it making an explosive move. Does that mean it's for sure going to happen? Again, no, it does not. And if all of a sudden Bitcoin were to drop, then I definitely could see ICP dropping as well. But right now, I love the fact that we're trading above both of these moving averages. A lot of projects out there cannot make that claim. Now, lastly, we'll take a look at Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. So as most of you guys know, Bitcoin broke out of our bull flag perfectly and it went significantly above the measured move. And it even closed a candle above the previous local high, which is extremely bullish, while also getting back above that $1 trillion market cap level. However, in my last several videos, I've been saying that the RSI and stochastics are extremely overbought. In addition, if you go over to the weekly time frame on ICP, price action swings from a lower high to a higher high. The RSI is higher high to lower high, which is class A bearish divergence. So I've been saying, based on that alone, I wouldn't be surprised if we actually drop in the short term. And we ended up going from 52,800 down to 50,800. So we dropped $2,000. However, I do also want to say if price action does continue to skyrocket out of this, then we could very easily negate the bearish divergence. But also, as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand, crypto is an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think ICP will go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.